Read, create, learn, play, and connect with the County Library in December. Get ready for a holly jolly time at the library's Viridian Event Center every Monday from November 27th to December 18th at 7 p.m. for free Christmas movies on the big screen. Bring your dinner or snacks and enjoy the festive atmosphere in our dining room style theater with friends and family. We'll supply the hot cocoa, popcorn, fun games, and contests before the films roll. Kick off the season with Rise of the Guardians as Santa Claus, the Easter Bunny, and the Tooth Fairy unite to protect children from a menacing dark force. Don't miss the magic on December 4th with The Polar Express, and mark your calendar for Home Alone on December 11th and A Christmas Story on December 18th. It's a season of laughter, joy, and unforgettable moments at the Viridian Event Center. Learn more at thecountylibrary.org/movies. Unwrap the gift of creativity this holiday season with Creative Bug. Spark your festive spirit by crafting beautiful ornaments, jewelry, quilts, clothes, and more. Dive into the magic of the season with free online classes in sewing, crocheting, knitting, art, design, baking, cake decorating, refinishing, and upholstery, all with your county library card. Show the world your crafty side and spread the joy of handmade treasures. 'Tis the season to create, share, and make memories with thecountylibrary.org/creativebug. Jingle all the way to the library's Viridian Event Center for a festive First Friday like you've never seen before. This December 1st, groove to the merry tunes of former NBA star turned musician Thurl Bailey. It's a night of holiday cheer with Christmas melodies filling the air and activities that delight all ages. This unforgettable experience is absolutely free, thanks to our partnership with Excellence in the Community and the City of West Jordan. Mark your calendars for a December night that's sure to be music to your ears. Find out more at thecountylibrary.org/concerts. And spread the gift of culinary joy with the County Library. Dive into a world of festive flavors and discover the magic of holiday cooking with our delightful collection of cookbooks. From traditional classics to modern twists, our shelves and digital archives are filled with recipes that will make your holiday gatherings merry and delicious. Whether you're dreaming of a gingerbread masterpiece or a show-stopping roast, our cookbooks have you covered. Borrow the magic, stir up some joy, and let the aroma of the holidays fill your kitchen. 'Tis the season to savor every bite. Come explore, cook, and create unforgettable holiday memories with our festive cookbook collection. Thanks for joining us for Connect. We can't wait to read, create, learn, play, and connect with you in December.